you a dua. Whatever dua you make, Allah will accept it. One dua. What you think Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam, what was his dua? What dua he made after that sacrifice in Mina? Nabi Ibrahim alayhi salam says, Oh Allah, do not punish any member or any individual from the ummah of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oh Allah, do not punish any ummah any person from the ummah of Sayyidina Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Ibrahim alayhi salam making dua for us. When he made that dua, Sayyidina Jibreel was so moved. Immediately Sayyidina Jibreel alayhi salam says, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. When Sayyidina Jibreel said that, Sayyidina Ismail says, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. And then Ibrahim alayhi salam said, Walillahil hamd. That's where you get your takbir for Eid Qurbani. In Eid Qurbani, kya takbir? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd. And this takbir came into existence at the time of the Qurbani of Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam. And first portion, Allahu Akbar 3 times were the words of Sayyidina Jibreel. The second, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar, is the words of Sayyidina Ismail alayhi salam. And the last, Walillahil hamd, is the words of Sayyidina Ibrahim ala nabiyyana alayhi salatu wassalam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loved this tasbih and takbir, and He then gave it to our beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wasallam as a gift, as a tuhfa, to remember that qurbani, and therefore we read that takbir. These are ayyam tashriq. These are the very sacred moments and sacred days. So you have to read the takbir. And takbir is read once is wajib, and 3 times is mustahab and sunnah. So you should read, even if you make your salah in these days of tashriq. If these days of tashriq you read your salah alone, you must read aloud after your farz salah immediately the takbir. At home, or whether it is in the masjid, you will read it with Jamaat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq and hidayah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the tawfiq to make the qurbani. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tamam musalmanों को नेक अमल की तौफीक अता फरमा. हम में जो बीमार है शिफा अता फरमा, जो परेशान है परेशानियों को दूर फरमा, जो हम कर्ज में फंसे हुए उनको कर्ज से निजात अता फरमा, हम में बेरोजगार है या अल्लाह उनकी रोजी में बरकत अता फरमा. परवरदिगार आलम हर हाल में तेरे और तेरे महबूब सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की सच्ची इताअत और उसकी फरमा बरदारी करने की तौफीक अता फरमा. हम में जो बेनमाजी है या अल्लाह हमें नमाजी बना दे. इलाल आलमीन हमें तेरी शरीयत पर अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमा. जो इस दुनिया से चले गए उनकी मग़फ़िरत फरमाओ. आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. प्लीज रिमेंबर